Fred Sanford's Vintage Sewing Machine Parts. David here. And I was just thinking how cool it would be to own a life-size Ford Model T Singer I have 2 of these in my collection, and I have 2 for sale. 2 for sale. They're good on gas. $26.95. I'm selling both of these extras. Alright, let's go put them back in the window I display them in. And we're back. I just did box number 55, bring them back to live. We just did box number 56, a bunch of belts. Make sure to catch those videos. No clue what's in this box. Mystery box number 57. And my coffee's almost gone. Oh no. Oh well. It's 8:20 in the morning now. Wednesday, March 25th. Third video and probably the last one for the day. Says I need to get hopping. And put it into high gear. I'm dedicating a couple hours each day to make my eBay store a little healthier. That's been getting hit hard lately. So, what do we have here? 30-watt seal beam light bulbs. Huh. I use these around the house. Ooh, cool. LEDs, I assume. No? Maybe not. They must be old school. It doesn't say LED anywhere on there. That's too bad. 3 brand new bulbs at 30 watts. Not a very big wattage. Alright. What is this crazy thing? What is it? Oh, that looks like... I don't know. Ain't no sewing related. Look at that giant. Looks like it goes to a wash machine or something. Alright, well, big old giant cord. What is this crazy contraption? Check this crazy thing out. Wow! I mean, I just invented this. We were just talking in the last video how, wow, that's pretty smart. How hard would it be to make? Well, I was just talking in the last video how on your Singer bakelite foot pedal, how some people don't like the little toe, and how I'm going to turn those all steel foot pedals into 301 and 221 cords. This is a 301 cord that someone converted into this. Check out this contraption. They made it out of wood, and they put a little protection on the toe here, and they use that. And in no time does the wood, well, yeah, don't look like it. In no time, maybe a little bit right here, does that wood touch the foot pedal. I think that's why that pad was there, to prevent it. Check this out. Can you see all the way through? Maybe a little bit up front it touches. Very smart. Very smart. Oh, it required them to screw into the bottom of the foot pedal. Somehow. Down there. I could see it. They screwed into the bottom of the foot pedal to create that. Wow. Well, I'm going to keep this, I think, for my own test pedal. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What is this thing? Whoa! I'm seeing stuff I've never seen before. What is this? 2 different cords? Hold on. Bear with me. Does this have 2 ends? What's going on? I don't understand. We'll get to the bottom of this. Hold on. Oh, no. Detective work. Alright, so this is what I'm finding out. It has 1 plug end, but yet it has 2 cords coming out of it. This crazy end is coming out of it, and this crazy end is coming out of it. Is it all? Let me see what the cord says. Get new control for Bernina. I should have figured. Call or left message for the model. That's all it says. It's a Bernina cord. Yay! Wow. Wow. What is this thing? Another Bernina cord. Yay, paperwork. I love paperwork. Give me an idea what they go for too, maybe. Oh, $99. $99. It says cost $49.50. They paid $49.50 and they were trying to get $99. They paid $50 times 2. There's $100 in cords. This is $100 in wholesale. That's crazy. All right, so anybody needs it for, we could definitely knock it down. For type 290 Bernina models such as 801, 802, 830, 1000, 1001, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1008, 1010, foot control complete with cord, 4 flat pins to machine and 3 flat pins to control. Bernina compatible control, alternative numbers. Wow. So there you have it. 2 of those. $50 cost wholesale. What is this crazy thing? Look at this. A brand new light. Yay. Does it have a cord on it? What's it? Oh, you just gotta put an end on it to wherever you want to, however you want to mount it. Wouldn't that be crazy? Mount this on your giant light. I should mount it right here to my table. Get that extra light. Huh, interesting. Very nice. No info on it. Wait a minute. 633 light, gooseneck with shade. Use with bulb 996207, 120 volt, 30 watt. Hey, it's those bulbs we were looking at. It says to use it with this bulb. Use it with this bulb, right? We'll put one in there in case they lose in touch with each other. Yep, it's a good fit. Use it with that bulb. Don't seem like it'd be very bright. Is this a 996207? It's a 996207. Or they said use the 206, a 17 watt. I don't think I can. No, don't have any 17 watts. But yeah, cool. I got 3 bulbs for that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Oh my goodness. What a way to end off a box. I mean, the box was pretty exciting. Got some stuff I've never seen before. Giant light thing and that foot pedal contraption thing. Wow. This a must-see video because this is cool. We have a Singer 66 book. Beat up 66 book. Ooh, in plastic. Beat up book in plastic. Someone was nice enough to put it in plastic. Try to preserve it. A model 247 with the little cleaning brush. Yay! Instructions for a Fashion Mate 237 partial book. I see half of it missing. Oh my goodness. I like books. Ew, I don't like this baggie. This baggie looks like it's old as me. Get out of here. Alright. A Fashion Mate model 252. Alright. A lot of these books are in poor condition here. A Singer Service Center book. Interesting. I wonder how outdated that is. Oh, finally a book in nice shape. Beautiful copy of a Stylus 534. Beautiful copy. No smell. No smell to it. All these books are okay. You get one book with odor, you can contaminate the rest of the books. Magic 34. This is for in several languages. Looks like German, maybe, and Spanish. And it's the instructions for the 8134 and the 8234. That's Singer. I don't know what 8134. That doesn't sound familiar. Yes, I know what a 306 is though. Got the little bit of greasiness going on, like some oil spilled. You know what I'm talking about? Oh boy, that might just be for my personal reference. I'm gonna put some paper towels between some of these. Maybe that'll help out. Here's instructions for using the Singer sewing machine model 513. Someone printed it out. $15.95. Wow. For a printout copy. And we have a Singer. Makes great vacuum cleaners too. Did you know that? This is a Singer Stylus book again. And a Singer. Dear Singer, please send me a Singer 221. Okay. We'll put those back. You see anything here in this video you like and you would like to make an order, find me on Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description below. The quick link, you just click it, goes right to my Facebook group. You find the name Fred Sanford, you click that goes right to my messages. You send me a request or a message, and if I ask for, you got patience to wait, I could sometimes answer right away, or it could take up to 2 or 3 days depending on what I'm working on. I'm usually working on several requests at once. I hope you liked the video. I'll be back again soon. Bleep, 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 bleep. Looks like my battery's dying after 3 videos, so that's good timing. Enjoy the day, everyone, and stay safe out there.